Hi everyone, welcome back to New Tech Pro channel. In this video, we introduce and review 6W module amplifier stereo 270 stereo amplifier board. You should know we introduce and review this module amplifier stereo in other video in New Tech Pro channel. See this video. Now let's go to introduce and review these amplifier boards. Okay, my friend, let's introduce and review number one. Number one is this module amplifier board. This module amplifier have a 3-watt output speaker. You can see here a speaker right 3 watt, and here a speaker left 3 watt, and IC use IC PAM8403 model HW-10W, and you can see here this 3-pin is input stereo audio left GR, and input power supply is 5 volt, but you can use 2.5 volt to 5.5 volt DC. This module is very small and good for a stereo system portable. Okay, let's go to number two. Number two, this amplifier board stereo. This module amplifier have a 2-speaker output, 3 watt speaker output. Here you can see here right speaker and left speaker here, positive negative, and input audio stereo here left, right, and G ground here for input audio stereo, and here input power supply. Power supply is 5 volt. It's best, it's good, but you can use 2.5 volt power supply to 5.5 volt DC power supply. For this module amplifier class D, use a PAM8403 IC here, and you can see volume P and volume here. That's a good for portable speakers, and use a battery lithium or AC/DC adapter. Okay, let's introduce number 3. Before introduce number 3, please subscribe, like, and open comment for support us. Thank you. Number 3 is good. This module amplifier have a 2 output 5 volt. 5 volt output. You can see here this is output speaker for the left speaker, and this 2-pin for the right speaker output, and here VCC and GND for input power supply. And you can see here input 3-pin input for stereo audio here. For this module amplifier, use a PAM8406 IC here, and you can see here 2 potentiometer for adjustment volume for left channel and right channel. You can use these 2 potentiometer. And for input power supply, you can use USB port or AC/DC power supply adapter, because input is 5 volt. The best input is 5 volt, but you can use 2.5 volt to 5.5 volt DC for input power supply. Good for make a speaker portable by battery lithium or polymer battery. Let's introduce and review number 4. Number 4, this module amplifier. This module amplifier have a 2 output speaker. This is output speaker left and this output speaker right. Have a 10 watt output. 10 watt output here, 10 watt output here. For this module amplifier, use a PAM8610 IC here. And for input power supply, as you can see here, input power supply is the best input is 12 volt. You can see here 12 volt positive and GND here, but you can use 7 volt to 15 volt DC for power supply for this module amplifier. And here you can see this 2 pin is for mute switch here, this 2 pin you can see, and input audio stereo here, 3 pin. This module don't have a heatsink here. This module don't have a volume. This module don't have heatsink. This module don't have heatsink, and this module don't have heatsink. Okay, my friends, this video is a very long video. I try introduce and review other stereo amplifier in video part 2. You can see this module is 50 watt output stereo. This module is 70 watt output. This module is 30 watt output, and this module is 60 output, and finally this module is 20 watt output. We introduce and review these modules in part 2 video. Please see other video. Thank you very much and goodbye.